The kayak trail start. Slip in here. Might need rain to have enough water to get going. Maybe just enough to get through there. Got a bit of waterbird life up back there. The water quality's pretty good, isn't it? Right, let's get out of here. So this is the kayak entry point here. A bit of a trail through here. Weeds don't grow over. Yeah, park car is there. Right here. There might be a access point closer. There is a bit of trail there. There's a tree fell again. Yeah, just get through here. A lot of rain. And just flooding out. So yeah, not too bad. Heap of rain. Get down here right. They really cleared out the drains and trees and everything. Some trees did. Not. This looks like a better spot to get in because it's closer. Track here. Down here. Clear it with a machine. And yeah, it's around the water. Yeah, you've got mud stairs. Point where you can actually get there. It's a bit too slippery there. Go down there, there's a bit more dry ground. Well, people look like they've cleared it all. Slip down here. Right in there. Right to the water. Perfect. Not deep enough there to get going. I think you're relying on enough rain to adjust enough. Kayak, not too loaded up, and it goes all the way down to Coolum Creek. You go to Maroochydore, Nambour now. You could go to Nambour. Give it a go one day. The output. So that's the access track through here. There, past the stump. Beautiful. So that's the kayak exit. Pretty much should be able to tow the kayak down here with the e-bike. And you should be able to load the e-bike into the kayak. There we go. Drive down here with the car. Park the car there. So this is it. Little lock gate there. National Park. No motorbikes, no dogs, cats, no four-wheel drive. I'm saying about e-bikes or kayaks. Yeah. The security there. They do. Dust the lock off that way. And this is just stuff here. Not really much to see there. That's it. Thanks for coming. Put more up that way.